Is being there for yourself selfishness? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. What if the one person you keep abandoning is yourself? What if every time you say yes to everyone else, you are silently saying no to your own peace, and then one day someone calls you selfish? Just because you finally decided to choose yourself? But here's the real question. Is being there for yourself actually selfishness, or is it something we were never taught how to do? Most of us were raised to believe that being a good person means always being available, always understanding, always sacrificing. And then you help everyone, you listen to everyone, you show up for everyone. But slowly क्या होता है? Without even realizing it, you become emotional support for the whole world. But no one ever asks you this question, आपके लिए कौन खड़ा है? Because when finally you say I need some space, I cannot do this right now, I need to take care of myself, suddenly वही सारे लोग आपको ये बोलने लग जाते हैं, you have changed, you are becoming selfish. But pause for a moment and think, were you selfish or were you just exhausted? Constantly putting yourself last has a hidden cost. You lose your energy, you lose your peace, and slowly you start losing yourself. You begin to feel drained around the people जिनको आप कभी प्यार करते थे. It's not because कि आप उनको hate करते हो, but because you give too much of yourself बिना boundaries के. और सच ये है, people ना used to हो जाते हैं आपकी उस version के जो कभी ना नहीं कहता था. So the moment you start protecting your time, your energy and your peace, they feel uncomfortable. But their discomfort doesn't mean कि आप गलत हो. कहीं पे भी किसी भी sense में ऐसा नहीं है. Being there for yourself is not selfishness, it's self-respect. Think about it this way. मान लो आपके फ़ोन की बैटरी सिर्फ 1% है, आप अपना फ़ोन पहले चार्ज करोगे या आप कोई और डिवाइसेस को पहले चार्ज करोगे? नहीं ना, आप अपना फ़ोन ही चार्ज करोगे ना, बिकॉज यू अंडरस्टैंड वन सिंपल थिंग, यू कैन नॉट गिव एनर्जी इफ़ यू हैव नन लेफ्ट इन योर सेल्फ. The same applies to your emotional energy. You cannot pour into others from your empty heart. Self-care actually होता क्या है? Being there for yourself means boundaries set करना, टेकिंग रेस्ट जब आपको ज़रूरत है, और वॉकिंग अवे फ्रॉम द सिचुएशंस जो आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन आउट करते हैं. इट जस्ट मीन्स चूजिंग पीस over constantly proving yourself that you are a good person. And sometimes it means disappointing others to stop disappointing yourself. And some people will not like this version of you because they benefited from the version where you ignored your own needs. But people who truly respect you will respect your boundaries also. आप इस चीज़ को ज़रूर समझो. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you checked on yourself? अपने फीलिंग्स की आपने सुनी हो, अपने पीस को आपने प्रोटेक्ट करा हो. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी स्पेंड सो मच टाइम बीइंग देयर फॉर अदर्स दैट वी फॉरगेट समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द लॉन्गेस्ट रिलेशनशिप इन योर लाइफ इज द वन यू हैव विद योरसेल्फ. हम भूल ही जाते हैं इस चीज़ को पूरी तरीके से. सो इफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ फील्स लाइक बीइंग सेल्फिश, मे बी दैट्स द वे यू वर टॉट दैट योर नीड्स डोंट मैटर. But hear me very clearly, your needs do matter, they always did. आप बस उनको इग्नोर करते आए हो. At the end of the day, being there for yourself is not selfishness. Abandoning yourself just to keep everyone else happy, that is real tragedy, because the world will take pieces of you as long as you keep giving them. But the moment you start protecting your peace, you will finally stop surviving and start living. So इस चीज़ को हमेशा याद रखो. Choose yourself. And choosing yourself is not being selfish. Sometimes it's the most honest form of self-love. आप समझ रहे हो इस चीज़ को? If this message resonated with you, take a moment and ask yourself, when was the last time you truly showed up for yourself? Comment your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed deep reflection like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because sometimes the person you need to understand the most is the one staring back at us in the mirror. See ya.